Hello everyone, welcome back to Review Wire. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about multi tool, like a multi 3-in-1 or 4-in-1 tool. With the help of this tool, we can clean your keyboard and so many other parts. With the help of this brush, we can easily clean your keyboard and remove the dust from the keyboard. As well as we have a backside, we have a and one more tool is like this. With the help of this tool, we can easily remove the keys, not these keys like laptop keys, and clean the with the help of this tool we can easily remove the desktop keyboard keys and clean the keyboard clearly, and replace the keys on a keypad. Okay, and one more tool is this. I already explained you about this brush. Okay, now we are going to tell you about the one more tool is there. And like, let's take out the another tool. This is the another tool we can use it on. This is the another tool we can to clean your camera lens. This tool will help you a lot, and I'm going to tell you about one more tool. I have another two tools. With the help of this tool we can easily clean the camera lens, as well as we can easily clean, I don't know what the use of this tool. This is a small brush. We can clean this micro dust on your lens also, as well as we can, with the help of this needle, we can easily remove the small particles, and we can easily clean these type of small areas with the help of this tool. This is called multi tool. With the help of this tool we can use number one, and we can use this number two brush, small brush, and we can use to clean the camera lens. Number three, we can use this tool to remove the keyboard keys, and as well as we can use this brush to clean your keyboard. Okay, this is the multi-use this is the use of this multi-use tool. There are so many other tools are there. I'll provide the link in description below. If it is useful, then go and buy one. It's not costly. It costs you around in between 200 to 500 rupees, depend upon the multiple usage and multiple tools. Okay, this is the 5-in-1 tool. Okay, I hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe to Review Wirely for more videos like this. Thank you. Stay tuned.